Welcome to RickandD, and today we are replacing our Cuisinart slow cooker, sauteer, roaster with an Instapot because we've heard so much good stuff about this. And the Cuisinart, the inside portion that you put your food in, the Teflon coating is coming off. This is the second time it's happened, and I've had to send it back. It cost me $60 to get a replacement, and to be honest with you, I'm just tired of putting money into that. So we're going to get into the newest and better thing out there. I can't tell you anything about it because I don't know yet. We haven't cooked with it yet. I'm sure it's not all that difficult, but until we've actually cooked a meal in it and we know where all the settings are on this, we're going to hold off on that portion of the video so that when we do it, we can give you the right dope. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and within the next few days, I'll have this thing knocked out and ready to go. Anyways, let's open it up and see what this puppy looks like. Big thing. Whoa. Here's the user catalog. It said it came with 2 rings, but I only see 1 ring here. Maybe it's underneath this. Let's take a look at this bad boy. It's actually pretty impressive looking. And there she is, folks. This is the cover, and this is also a pressure cooker. Little thing for your steamed vegetables inside. Like I said, I'm not going to get too much into it because I don't know what's what right now. So let me spend some time with this handbook. And this new pot, and next time you hear from me, it'll be all the correct information for the correct tools. See you on the road.